Everyone, Double P here and welcome back. So in this trading session, I decided to attack NVDA once again because NVIDIA is just like a beast. So let me get rid of all my drawings here so that you see it. So we're in a real-time account. You see over here margin, it says partially delayed data. It's a real account. Stock is in real time. Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real-time feeds there. Equity options, real time. Futures, I don't trade futures. I have it free on the platform by looking at other instruments, so I don't need to pay for the package. Forex, real time. Others, real time. So real-time account. So NVIDIA was a beast that opened up above the box. So let's have a look. When it opens up above the box, slightly above the box, what do? If it's strong, we are going to take a long position. So I waited for NVIDIA to open up. It opened up quite a bit above the box, 461, 465, so $4 above the box. And I was like, because the rest of the market was a little bit slow and it was kind of like sluggish. So I just waited. And then for some strange reason, NVIDIA just took off and rocketed because I was looking at Telsa, I was looking at Apple, I was looking at Microsoft. So I kind of took my eye off the ball. And before I knew it, NVIDIA was like rocking up here at 475. Let me just push this over here so that you see it. So I was just like, whoa, what the heck? Now, usually I'm very, very, very disciplined when it comes to this kind of stuff. But today is Friday and, I have had a fantastic week so far. So I was just like, all right. NVIDIA ran away. So it was at 474. So I'm thinking to myself, oh, geez. I got in late to the trade. I was looking at the pullback because, so this was a high, hit it once, hit it twice, 3 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, and then right here was the breakdown. You always want to go back 3 candles, 1, 2, 3, to look at the setup. So we had consolidation here. That's high level consolidation right there. There was the move. There was the retracement. There was the move again for new highs, and then it kind of broke down. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, it's breaking down, but it's above the 200, so I'm like, okay, what do I do? And I got Bollinger Bands up today, so I was looking at the Bollinger Bands, I was looking at the volatility of the bands, and I'm like, okay, what's going on here? It's right under the 20 here, so I'm like, I think this is gonna be it for NVIDIA for today. I think it's gonna go short. So I'm looking at it, and right here, this, believe it or not, is a reversal hammer. I know it's kind of hard for you to believe, but that's a reversal hammer. Let me just open that up there for you. That's a reversal hammer. So when I saw that, you can see it right here as plain as day. But this is a reversal hammer. So I was just like, oh God, okay. NVIDIA is going to do one of 2 things. This is a reversal hammer. 78% of the time, it's going to reverse on a reverse hammer off of selling. It's not bearish. That's actually bullish, even though it closed in the red. That's a reversal hammer. And I'm like, oh God, what's going to happen? And then when NVIDIA opened up here, and then it went past that 474.65, I was like, oh snap, here we go. NVIDIA's gonna blow, right? And you can see the range here. The range here was $4.57. That was massive. For an option trader, for a $4.57 move for an option trader, oh my God, that's just incredible. So I jumped into the trade. I was like, damn, I'm not gonna miss this next move because this is a powerful move. So what happens is I stayed in the trade, sent it out to the members, and look at what happened after that. NVIDIA just blew up. Like NVIDIA blew up today. Like it went literally it went up to like 5% today. It hit a high of 480. So there was a high of 480, 888. I was in this trade for a long time. I was just like, wow, this is crazy. So when it hit that high, I was like, okay, now I'm really gonna get out. So I got out right here on this candle after hitting the high, because you can see the range here. This range was $3.18. That's a crazy range from top to bottom. I was just like, no, I'm getting out. This is too volatile. I made a tremendous amount this week, and I made a tremendous amount today, and I was like, okay, I'm out. But let me draw the channel for you so that you guys see what's going on. This was an algorithmic squeeze. And you're probably wondering, well, why is it down to 454? I'm going to show you that. So let's look at this. Let's look at this monster move here on NVDA. I can take it from the wicks. I'm going to take it from there. So I could do this channel here, because that's actually more, no, I'm going to do this channel because that's the first channel. Let me come over here and let's tighten that up. So that's channel 1. That's channel 1 right there. You can see exactly what NVIDIA did. So you can draw a price action right here. Support and resistance right there. So this was an elevator to the upside. Then you have consolidation right there. Then you have another move, another lurch up. Then you have consolidation. You have a retracement right back here to support. Retracement back to the first line of support. Retracement back to the second line of support, broke that channel, then NVIDIA went on to a new run. So let's get rid of that channel, because I always like to draw my channels properly, because I'm a little bit anal like that. So right off of this candle right here, and this makes it very precise, so you know exactly what you need to do. So that was the new channel right there, right? So we have resistance, we have support, which is resistance as well. We have resistance, we have resistance and support. This is support as well as resistance. So inside that channel right there, that's when I got out, because this is horizontal support, 479.15. This is vertical resistance, or sorry, vertical support as well. So when it breaks channel 1 support, then channel 2 support, the stock is busted. The move is broken, the move is gone. Algorithms are now, what's the path of least resistance? The path of least resistance now for the algorithms is to trade to the downside. So as you see, that's what the algorithms are doing. Then we have consolidation right here, a little bit of a retracement, not much, because it was just totally, wasn't a big move whatsoever. Very volatile, but wasn't a big move. All right, so I can even fix this, because that's not really a good one. Let me activate that and let me draw this down here. So there would be your true support, 477.91 right there. Tapped it once, twice. So I tapped it once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, and then there goes the move to the downside, right? So that was NVIDIA. So you're probably wondering, well, what happened? Where's the move? Well, here's the move right here, right? This is like around, when did this officially break down? Right here, this would be at quarter to 11 or 10:46 or whatever. This candle right here, this is the official breakdown right there at 474. From where it was 480 to 474, right? $6 move, and then look at what you get from there. it's just a massive, massive, massive breakdown. Here's support. It bottomed off at 463.65, and it just petered in this range for the longest time, right here. You want me to draw the consolidation box for you? I'll draw the consolidation box for you, or AKA the volatility box, and I will draw the volatility box from right, because this is the true volatility box. There's your volatility box right there, true volatility box. And that was a long time in consolidation for that volatility box. So let's kind of move this over here. So you're looking at literally an hour and 20 minutes in consolidation. The video just got beat down. There was a boatload of institutional selling. So let's kind of look at this. Let me put up my volume profile up here so that you can see it. There's the volume profile, and you can see the breakdown. I should actually get rid of intraday. So let me come over here. Equities, highlight, show extra day, no. So that makes it easier for you guys to see. Excuse me. Massive overhead supply, resistance right there, pushing down. This is all institutional profit taking. Institutions pushing, and algorithms dynamically selling into the selling. Right here, you can see it. So these are all your price levels. Excuse me. These are your price levels. There's your consolidation. That's mid-level, that's low-level consolidation. And then the video just proceeded to hit lows all the way through for the rest of the afternoon. 0 days to options. So let's kind of have a look at this. Let's kind of have a look at this. Option time and sales. This is absolutely monster. A total of 2.5 million contracts traded today on NVIDIA. That's why NVIDIA took off like a rocket ship, up hit the 480, then literally dropped like $30. Like, you know what I mean? Like, that's just, or $26 or so. That's just absolutely insane. I'm going to actually analyze this later because I'm doing a live trading recap right now. So I'm going to analyze that a little bit later. But wow, that is absolute insane amounts of contracts being traded. Right? And that just that's what pushed the stock and the volatility like you wouldn't believe. So, hope you enjoyed hope you enjoyed this trading session, this end of the day trading recap. This is wild. I'm going to wait and see what happens on Monday because I'm going to actually look at this Sunday night. I'm only going to look at futures. I want to clear this drawing board up so it's a little bit easier. And now, I'm going to wait to see. Let's go put this on a, let me customize this. Let me add a time frame. And let me do I can do a 30-minute because, like I say, algorithms trade in 30-minute time frames. So let's do the 30 minutes so that you can see exactly what's going on. So look at that. That's all algorithm right there. 30 minutes. Sheer selling. That's absolutely insane. No need to draw the channel. But I'll draw the channel. I'm actually going to draw the channel from right here because that's a little bit better channel. That's more tight and more precise. So look at that. That was sheer institutional unloading and dumping today on NVIDIA. 450. Wow. What a move. That was insane. Bollinger Bands dipping to the downside. Volatility bands dipping to the downside. 200. That's just insane. All right, so that's it from Double P. Hope you enjoyed this end of the day trading session for my Platinum X Power Option Trader members. And for those of you that are on social media that are watching this, I got postnasal drip in my throat. That's why I'm always trying to clear my throat. It's a bad case. I got to go see a naturopath. I got to get this taken care of because it's very irritating. So that's it for Double P. Now, had I taken a second trade, this would have been monster. Matter of fact, let me come over here because you guys are going to say, well, what'd you make today? This and that, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, people are always like, well, what did you make today? This and that, blah, blah, blah. Like, it doesn't matter what I made today. But there. That's what I made today. If you can see that. There. All right. So that's it from Double P. I don't mean to be rude or cocky or anything like that. I'm very, very, very laid back, extremely laid back. If I was any more laid back, I'd be in a coma. All right. But I just have to blur out, obviously, my account details up here because I can't violate the terms and services of my brokerage. And for you to see my personal private data as far as internals, as far as how I'm trading and what I'm paying for prices, I can't be doing that. I violate my terms and services of my brokerage, so I don't want to get my account flagged, and I'm not going to get a flag for someone on YouTube. So, but I'm providing a ton of value. I'm teaching you exactly what to do and how to do it and how to trade. I've been doing it for the last, almost 2 years now. So you got to get on. You got to get on the gravy train. You got to get on, and you've seen what I do literally on a day-to-day basis. I have wins. I have losses. I'm just keeping it real with you guys and girls, right? But at some time, because I get a lot of emails, at some point I get a lot of emails, people telling me how much is my course? Why is my course so expensive? I mean, expensive is relative in the mind of whoever wants to learn. If you don't want to learn, yeah, I guess it's expensive. If you want to learn and you want to invest and you understand that this is a lifelong skill that you can take to the grave with you, then it's not expensive at all. You know what's expensive? Ignorance. Ignorance will kill you. Financial ignorance will put you in the poorhouse. So with that being said, my name is Double P. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.